Welcome back to Car Review, where classic cars come alive. Today, we're diving into the elegant and powerful 1963 Aston Martin DBS. A symbol of British luxury and performance, the DBS combined sharp styling with advanced engineering. Though often mistaken as a product of the 1970s, the original concept of the DBS was envisioned earlier, showcasing Aston Martin's forward-thinking design and bold character. The DBS stood apart from its predecessors with a more modern, aggressive body. It replaced the curvier DB5 with straight, muscular lines and a wider stance. Designed by William Townes, the DBS was longer and broader, signaling a new era for the brand. Its fastback shape and hidden headlamps gave it a unique presence on the road, blending sophistication with strength in a way few cars of the time could match. Under the hood, the early DBS models were powered by a 4.0-litre inline-six engine producing around 282 horsepower. This was the same proven power plant used in the DB6 Vantage, capable of pushing the DBS to a top speed near 140 miles per hour. Later variants introduced a V8, but even the six-cylinder DBS was fast, refined, and thrilling to drive. It balanced luxury and muscle in perfect harmony. Inside, the cabin was a mix of wood trim, leather seats, and elegant simplicity. It featured all the classic British touches, from the thin-rimmed steering wheel to the Smith's gauges. The driving experience was pure and engaging, connecting you to the road through every curve and straightaway. It felt tailored for the gentleman driver who demanded both comfort and control. Thanks for riding along as we explored the 1963 Aston Martin DBS. A car of power, grace, and unmistakable style, it remains a rare jewel in the world of classic Grand Tourers. If you're a fan of timeless performance and automotive artistry, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again for more legendary machines.